Cozy Cottage Homestead. Wanted to share with y'all some of the stuff that we were doing. We had a busy weekend butchering rabbits, or dispatching rabbits. I know we're not supposed to say certain words. We had to cut all the meat off the bone because we were going to make sausage with it. All of that is chilling. It's been chilling overnight. Today we will grind it, mix it with a little bit of pork and a whole bunch of seasoning, and make breakfast sausage and probably just regular link sausage. And you don't want to waste anything. You raise the rabbits and they provide it for you. So we cook down the bones from the rabbits. Let them cook the whole entire night on very low temperature. Added some celery, some onions, some garlic, some seasoning. And with rabbits, it's hard to get all the meat off the bone. So, but whenever you cook it and make a meat broth, then you can easily pull the meat off the bone. And as you can see, this is a plate almost full and pretty high of meat that would have been otherwise just thrown out. That's not good. That's a total waste. So take your time and go ahead and use all of the stuff that you can use from the rabbit, because you'll just be wasting what you raised and all your hard work. It takes a little time, but it's worth it. So today we got the rabbit meat broth, or bone broth, all canned up and ready for the pressure canner. And whenever we get that started, we're going to run next door to the big kitchen and we will start making the sausage. I purposely did not take videos of the whole process of dispatching the rabbits, because I know some children are watching. But as we get better set up, I plan on making a video more in detail on the whole entire process. I did take pictures, so I will do probably a picture video. And that's about it. It's been a busy couple of days and we're still not done yet. We started early yesterday and went to bed late last night. Back early up today, and we'll be in there all day today, grinding all the rabbit and pork and making sausage. So farewell, my homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.